Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad. Today, we've got a backwards tool steel run and wood pellet run combined. I'm not sure if we want to call this a WP1 or a shop special. I don't know. So we have steel coming in for the machine shop and wood pellets for, well, keeping things warm. No sooner do I turn the camera off, we drop one on the ties.
Didn't even try to start into the curve.
We do have some issues in this curve. Mostly worn rail. And that's what we're dealing with now. And basically the railroad's falling apart on us, but, well, we'll persist and fix it. Or trudge on, or whatever the word is for it. Now, if you've noticed a lack of wood pellet trains this year, and the fact that this one's really small, lack of funditis has hit the railroad. Well, it's the economy, really. That's the next spot we got to work on. We got to flip the rail on the outside. It dropped in on the inside this time. Yeah, that's past the bad spot.
Not that one.
Oh, it's into the next bad spot. Never mind.
That's why I was still creeping.
Track geometry only has a little bit to do with this. This is mostly worn rail. We still got one good side on the rail, so I think we just flip it and we're good for a while.
Yeah, see how far it'll get us.
Last another decade.
Hey, if it works for the guys on the class ones to just flip a rail or two, it'll work for us.
Are you really going to take this onto the Jenksville spur?
Should I? It'd be pretty interesting to see. It's not going to make that jump. There's no way that...
Yeah.
Okay.
You were saying?
Sure. You know what? Forget logic. Forget all feasibility. It just sure. No.
Reality sets in.
Hey, I'm impressed that one truck made it over there.
Well, we got halfway onto the Jenksville spur with one car. Okay, that works. You can drop that right there and we'll unload it.
Sure.
Because that's for the shop.
There's our parking brake, the Jenksville spur.
Yeah. Yep. Now somebody's got to unload the the wood pellets.
Yeah, sure. I guess I'm already here.
Well, while Eric unloads this, I guess we'll just say thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad to get early access to our videos for a small fee. Helps support the channel and helps us keep making videos, which I guess that's supporting in a very direct way. So I gotta bring this steel into the shop. This is all steel for a customer's job for the lathe, and well, these are going to be turned into probably 7.5-inch gauge axles. So that's yeah, that's going to happen. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.